Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best bench grinder. You're new here. I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 bench grinders, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Bucktool 8-inch dual speed bench grinder and buffer. Carpenters and other professionals will be impressed by the power of this Bucktool variable speed 8-inch bench grinder. This power tool has a 2.1 amp motor and includes aluminum tool rests, aluminum oxide wheels, a cast iron base, spark deflectors, and variable speeds that have the same torque at low and high speeds. Due to its heavier weight, this grinder doesn't vibrate, and its height provides enough space to use different jigs without needing a riser. 2 pieces of cast aluminum tool rests can be independently adjustable to compensate for wheel wear and to achieve different angles. Includes 80 grit and 120 grit white aluminum oxide wool, which can reduce heat buildup. One happy consumer explained, "Cast iron base is heavy, and no matter what, this grinder does not vibrate or move at all. It is pretty quiet too. It has 2 speeds, slower for sharpening blades and higher for grinding metal." Number 2. Bucktool Combo 2 inches by 42 inches belt sander 6 inches bench grinder. To double your money's worth, this 3,450 RPM Bucktool multifunctional tool is a combination sander and grinder all rolled into one, and one of the best combo tools on Amazon. The grinder comes with a 60 grit wire wheel, a work light, and quick release tension that makes changing the belt easier, while the sander can tilt from 0 to 90 degrees for angled sanding, and the belt can swivel either horizontally or vertically. Equipped with 2 workbenches for more convenient sanding, the cast iron belt sander work table can give better support when sharpening with metal, and the Cast-L big work table can work well with wood material. The sturdy cast iron base with rubber foot prevents vibrations. One happy customer explained, "Mounted mine on my table saw stand for portability and ease of use, doesn't overheat with 4+ hours of constant use on tool steel. Definitely a decent product when you're looking for a compact combo." Number 3. Jet GB G8, 8-inch industrial bench grinder. Professionals looking for a single-speed industrial bench grinder won't be disappointed with this Jet 8-inch version. This tool contains dual grinding wheels for coarse and fine applications, and its safety features include eye shields and a safety switch. The grinder has a 5/8 inch diameter shaft size, and the cast iron base comes with pre-drilled holes to easily mount on a stand or a workbench. Plenty of power. Heavy-duty 1.5 horsepower motor spins wheels at 3,600 RPM. Versatility, fine, 60 grit, and coarse, 36 grit, vitrified grinding wheels. Adaptable, pre-drilled base for mounting on a stand or workbench. CSA/CUS certified, this grinder follows strict guidelines and electrical requirements. Heavy-duty, cast iron construction can handle demanding environments. One consumer who has experience with bench grinders compared this model to other grinders and explained, "Worth the extra money for this industrial duty grinder. Better tool rests, better spark shields, dust collection ports, and more power." Number 4. Genesis GB G800 L 8 inches bench grinder with dual. This lightweight and compact 8-inch bench grinder from Genesis weighs only 27 pounds, yet its half a horsepower motor can still take on heavy-duty jobs. The 2 flexible work lights, eye shields, and medium and coarse grinding wheels make this one of the more user-friendly grinders available. The grinding wheels can also be replaced with the included wire wheel. Safe, 2 flexible gooseneck lights, adjustable tool rests, and eye shields, protect your eyes and keep the work safety position for your next project. Sturdy build, just the heavy-duty grinder I was looking for, described one happy shopper, and another explained, "I cut and scored 14 golf club shafts. Installed a cutting wheel on the right side, and left the abrasive wheel on the left side for scoring prior to epoxying and cleaning up any metal spurs. The full set of 14 shafts only took about 20 minutes to cut and score." Number 5. Jet 6-inch bench grinder. Features on this impressive Jet 6-inch bench grinder include 36 grit and 60 grit wheels, exhaust ports, spark deflectors, cast iron wool guards, and rubber feet. This heavy-duty unit with an industrial motor, surprisingly, has virtually no vibration, even while using wire grinding wheels. This doesn't sacrifice power and torque, however, and it also runs very quietly for such a large machine. Long machine life, totally enclosed pre-lubricated ball bearings. Built for durability, cast iron wool guards and dust vents. No shifting, Rubber mounts prevent movement. One pleased shopper described this as a wonderful grinder that runs so smooth and quiet, and another added, good value. Easy assembly. Nice heavy cast iron will guard and tool rest. The motor accelerates to speed very quickly and is very powerful for just a 6-inch grinder. However, if you need an even more heavy-duty machine, there's also an 8-inch version of this grinder, the Jet 577102 GB G800. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.